Okay guys, this is the time for we to start boiling our fish. These are my fresh fish that I washed before. Then put some Maggi inside. Then I put some of my fish, salt, sorry. This is my stock fish. Okay, I put it inside the microwave before. Then let me add it to the fish just to cook a little bit together. Add my mushroom. I've already washed and cleaned my mushroom. Then add them together. Now food we dey cook will not buy anybody. Now food we dey cook will not buy anybody. Let's see how our fish, because I don't want this fish to be overcooked. Let's put some red oil in our heat pot so that we can start cooking our okra. Then I don't want it to get hot too much. I put some onions. Then I put some, this is my ground fresh pepper with onions, because I love fresh pepper in okra soup, really. I don't use dry pepper to cook okra soup. Then I have my okra that I've already washed and grind. I've already blended everything. This is the time for me to start steaming it. Are you seeing it? The color is changing. Are you seeing it, baby? Okay, it is time for me to put some of my boiled meat that I've already have in the freezer. That is the one that I have already. My fish, stock fish, mushroom. My husband will say mushroom. Okay, let's put it inside. Some Maggi and salt to it. I don't like too much salt in food. Okay, some boiled water goes in. Wash, clean, cut inside. My fish is going down. Oh, this is nice okra. Everything is half done. You can see. And the leaf, amazing. The mushroom, amazing. Oh God. Thank you guys. Come and eat. Come and join us to eat. I love you guys.